here. And by this beautiful building and with the Burger King. So the stopover. This is our stopover here in Amsterdam, nearby, because here is the Flintstone Hotel, Flintstone Hotel. And here we meet the crying bird. The bird is crying. Look. Oh, he's crying. The bird is crying. The bird is lost. He is in the middle of the road. He don't know where to go. That's why he is crying. He is in the middle of the road. Wait, careful! Careful! Masasagasaan ka. There's a car. Be careful, bird. Careful. Kawawa naman siya. She really don't know what to do. There's another bird. Look. Come, birdie. Masasagasaan ka niya, oh. Don't run, the birdie. Ah, the bird is there. Tingnan nyo, muntik na siyang masagasaan. Kawawa naman siya, oh. Kawawa na yung bird. Ayan, nagkaroon na ng kasama ang bird. Ayan, naging tatlo na sila, oh. Tatlo na, dalawa, tatlo.
Now the black one. No. The frog. You got it?
Yeah, there are three.
That goes right into his mouth.
Yeah, I three there. Yeah, there are three. And three different birds. Look, black and white. And
Black
this one.
and white.
Yeah, there are three different bread.
Wow.
Look at bird.
Breed.
Look at them. Look. Three different birds. Look at them. Nice, huh?
Nice sound.
It's so cute.
We have a fourth black one. I will try to hit that also.
Oh, look at them. Oh, the two are fighting. He's laughing. And the other bird laughs. That's really so funny. He laughs when they are fighting. The bird laughs. So funny. He laughs about the two are fighting. Go there a little bit there so you can see here.
Whoa, he got it right out from the air. You saw that?
Oh,
This one here.
oh.
They're all gone now, huh? Your mice, huh?
Yeah, that's why I really saved it for
Look,
them.
I'll throw it in his mouth.
Yeah?
Oh,
It's so
almost.
fast, this
Cuts
one,
that.
huh?
Yeah. Let's try it again, okay?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's for now, folks.
That's all, folks. Too close.
There's so
I really bought this corn cob for the bird kasi they don't know how to drive through. Look, they are in the middle of the road by the drive-through. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much, Miss A. Fernandez, Sir AR, and to all the Team Lagonos. Thank you so much for watching.